Morning everyone. Children, Friday, it's Shanti Niketan time. And you know where are we today? Yes, we are in Beamish International Preschool. And you know which is this class? This is K2 class. And you can see Kanchan teacher taking K2 class. And in her class, there are two girls. Okay, one is Simple, wearing red dress. Hello, Simple. And one is Dimple. Oh, you can make out. Simple is really very simple, very good, attentive, listens to teacher, does all her homework, very polite. And you know this Dimple is little naughty. Okay, now let's go to the class and let's see what's happening.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
So, did you complete your homework that I gave you yesterday?
Yes.
Can you read the first sentence?
My name is Simple. I am in K2 class. My school's name is Beamish International Preschool.
Very good. Stop. Can you read the next sentence that you?
Ma'am, I don't know
that
where my
you've written?
homework went.
Can you check where you've written your homework?
No.
I don't know. Have you completed your homework to that?
I didn't feel like it.
Okay, you promised to complete it tomorrow and show it to me.
No.
Do you think it's good?
Okay.
Okay, anyways, children, I have to tell you something exciting. Are you ready to listen to me?
Yes.
Okay. Stop making noise. Stop making noise. I have to tell you something. We have the contest of the month for K2 class. So whoever is going to behave well, listen to your elders, teachers, and get good marks in your test, and all the activities that I give you is going to be presented with 5 golden stars and 1 excellent big badge from me. So who's ready to do all the activities and listen to the
Yes,
teacher?
we are both ready.
Very good, children. All the best. And for the first activity, we'll have to go to the garden. I'm going to give you the first activity for today. Okay?
Yes,
Let's
teacher.
go to the garden.
So after this, the children go to the garden along with Kanchan teacher.
Let's go. Come.
So the K2 class children are in the garden along with their teacher. Let's see what happens.
Children, the first activity, as I told you, is going to collect dried leaves from the garden. Okay? You all have to collect dried leaves, put it in the tray and show it to me. Here you go.
Okay, teacher.
I'm going to observe you.
Please stop it, Dimple.
Dimple, let others do their work. Don't disturb them. Simple, you're doing a great job.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher for you.
Thank you. Do your work first. I'll be more happy.
So here you can see Simple is doing her work so sincerely.
Yes.
Okay, time up. Come back, please. Show me what you all have collected. Very good. This is good job. Can you put this back into the tray? Stop that. Come on. You're not behaving well. Go take a time out for 2 minutes. Go. You all others can go towards the class and I'll be back in the next 15 minutes. Okay?
Thank you, teacher.
I think I should be calling her back. Time up. You can come back.
Here, please.
Okay. See, I did. You did collect the dry leaves, but I have to explain something to you today.
What?
Stop fidgeting with that and listen to the teacher, okay? I'll be giving you one more special activity just for you.
Why?
Yes, because you're so special. You go in the garden and pull up all the small weeds that you see. You have to count and then
That
tell me.
teacher?
Yes, those small weeds you see at the corner, you have to collect all of them one by one. And when I tell you to stop, you can come back. Okay? Go. You want the
Okay.
tray?
Do I need to put it in the tray?
You can get it anyway. Just count and get it.
I have to count, teacher.
Yes. You count and tell me how much have you
1,
collected.
2. Only weeds?
Yes, only weeds.
3, 4. Teacher for you.
Thank you.
5, 6, 7.
Okay,
This.
now you stop, you come back. That's enough. Thank you. Now you go to the other side of the garden. You see many trees. You can go and pull up that tree.
Pull the tree.
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds fun?
I
Sounds
try
fun?
to pull the tree. Teacher, this.
Yes, you have to pull the tree, the whole tree, just like you pull the weeds.
Teacher can't.
Try hard. Come on, try hard.
So-
Okay, now you come back. Are you able to do it? If not, then you come back.
No, teacher, I can't.
Okay. Dimple, you come back. Were you able to pull the tree?
No,
Why?
because you can see the roots down. It is so strong.
Exactly. I just wanted to explain to you, Dimple. The weeds that you pulled out are like your bad behaviors and habits that you've built up recently. If you try and pull up all your bad behaviors, you'll be able to do it right now at this age. But when you grow up, just like this big tree, it's going to be very difficult to change your bad habits. So you learned your lesson. Are you going to behave well?
Yes,
Yes?
teacher.
Will you try to behave well and complete your work on time?
Sorry, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Let's go to the class.
Children, they're back to the class, and now let's see what Kanchan teacher has to say to Dimple and Simple.
So, did you enjoy the activity today?
Yes, teacher.
And what did we learn today, children, is when we try and correct our behaviors when we are young and small, we'll be able to correct them right away. But when we grow up, it's going to be very difficult to change bad behaviors. So, as usual, she wins the contest. She is simple. She behaves well. She gets the golden stars. However, Dimple learns her lesson. She learns that she's going to behave well.
It's okay. We are good friends now.
I'll not trouble you again.
Okay.
Did you enjoy? Bye for now, children.